This is one of the blends you reach for when you need a little extra confidence without feeling wired or overwhelmed. Just calm, steady, you've got this energy. Hey, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. You know it's easy to feel grounded when you're home with your diffuser running, but the second you step out the door into traffic, a meeting, or just a busy day, that calm energy usually disappears. That's one of my goals as an aromatherapist. How do we actually take aromatherapy with us? I don't want these oils to just sit on a shelf. I want them to be tools we use to handle everyday life. That is exactly what this Confidence Boost roll-on is for. It's designed to be a portable reset button you can keep in your pocket. To make this, you'll need a 10 milliliter amber roll-on bottle. If you're a subscriber, this is in your big bonus box. 3 essential oils, Unicorn Blend, Geranium, and Downtime, and Fractionated Coconut Oil to use as the carrier. Let's make it. Start by adding your essential oils directly to a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. First, 3 drops of Unicorn Essential Oil blend. If you haven't used Unicorn Blend before, it is a mix of citrus oils like grapefruit and orange, plus a little jasmine. It's designed specifically to hack your brain's mood center to cut through mental fog. Next, 2 drops of Geranium Essential Oil. Geranium is actually one of my favorite oils for women. It has a heavy floral scent that is incredibly grounding. If you're feeling floaty or scattered, this pulls you down to earth. Then 2 drops of Downtime Blend. This softens the blend and helps calm nerves. Perfect for busy mornings or big moments. Once the oils are in, fill the bottle the rest of the way with Fractionated Coconut Oil. This dilutes the essential oils so they are safe to apply directly to your skin and helps the scent last longer. Cap it, gently swirl to mix, and label your roll-on. Now, the hardest part of making your own natural products is usually knowing which oils to blend and the ability to afford them. That's exactly why we've created the recipe box. Inside you get full-size bottles of every oil we just used, Unicorn, Geranium, Downtime, plus key ingredients and labels you need to finish the job. If you have tried to buy these high-quality oils individually from the big brands, you'd easily spend over $100. We give you the whole kit for a fraction of that. And if you don't love it, you can cancel anytime. No weird contracts. All right, back to the good stuff. So let's talk about how to actually use this for maximum effect. Don't just swipe and run. I like to apply it to my pulse points, wrists, and neck, but also right behind my ears. Then, this is the important part. Cup your hands over your nose and take 3 deep breaths. This triggers the olfactory system, immediately signaling your body that it's safe to relax. If you've been looking for a simple way to carry a little courage in your pocket, this roll-on is a perfect tool to have on hand. Grab the box at the link in the description to get all of these ingredients and start building your natural toolkit. And tell me in the comments, where do you need a confidence boost most? Work? Home? I'd love to know, and I'll see you in the next DIY.